This is an impulse engine. It consists of a stack of lead zirconium titanate crystals between a brass reaction mass and an aluminum, the silver thing on the other end. It's a realization of dilithium crystals in Star Trek, okay? This is a completed device. You can see it jiggling, okay? The wires are all hooked up. It's sitting on the rods and so on. Is it like a miniature space rocket? Yeah, sort of, in a sense. If you take this thing, then you hook it up, and you make this whole thing vibrate, okay, in just the right way, it will literally generate a force that will drag it through space. That's how they work. Your average physicist on the street will tell you it shouldn't move. It actually does move, and we say it moves because it couples to the gigantic gravitational field of the distant matter in the universe in which we all live all the time. You get a big array of these things and able to work at much higher power and higher frequency. You should be able to get to 20 to 40% of the speed of light, but they are not how you really want to get around space-time quickly. For that, you need at least warp drives and preferably wormholes, okay? And the physics of these devices opens a path to that technology. The Mach effect equation has some remarkable properties that are very easy to understand. In particular, the second term, the so-called wormhole term. This equation shows you that using nothing but general relativity and standard physics in perhaps an unorthodox way, there's a real chance that starships with warp drives and wormhole generators lie in our future.